Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about New Year's resolutions. A New Year's resolution is a goal or an objective that you have for the next year. When it's the end of the year, some people make New Year's resolutions because they want to have a good year and accomplish many things. What are New Year's resolutions? New Year's resolutions are promises you make to yourself about things you want to do or change in the coming year. These goals can be about improving your health, learning new skills, or doing something you've always wanted to try. Resolutions help people feel motivated and give them something to work towards during the year. Common New Year's resolutions. Let's talk about some common resolutions. One common New Year's resolution is to lose weight. Many people plan to lose weight during the new year. This is a good resolution because it can help you be healthy. However, it's not easy to lose weight. It can be difficult because you need to eat healthy food and exercise. Many people go to the gym in January because their New Year's resolution is to lose weight, but not everyone reaches their goal and many people quit after a few weeks. Improving health. Many people use New Year's resolutions to improve their health. Besides losing weight, people may want to exercise more, eat healthier, or quit smoking. These goals are important because they help people feel better and live longer. Regular exercise and healthy eating can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Learning something new. Another common New Year's resolution is to study more or learn something new. This is a good New Year's resolution. Some people want to learn English to help their career. If you speak English, you can have better opportunities. For some jobs, you need to speak English, and for other jobs, you need to read and write in English. English is important for many jobs. Maybe English will help your career too. This year, my goal is also to study more languages. Reading more books. Another common New Year's resolution is to read more books. Some people are very busy, so they don't read a lot. Other people are not good at reading, but they want to improve. And some people don't like reading, but they need to read. Many people have the New Year's resolution to read more. I think that's good. I want to read more too. I want to read many books this year. How many books do you want to read this year? Maybe you can read books in English this year. That's a good resolution. Learning a new activity. Another common New Year's resolution is to learn a new activity. This is a fun one. There are many activities that you can learn. Some people learn a new sport. Other people learn a skill. It's good to learn new things. Maybe you can take a class to learn something new. There are many classes that teach you different skills. You can look for classes in your city. Spending time with family. Some people make New Year's resolutions to spend more time with family or friends. This is a great resolution because it's important to spend time with the people you care about. You can plan family dinners, go on outings, or just spend time talking and having fun together. Building strong relationships with family and friends makes life more enjoyable. Quitting bad habits. Another common New Year's resolution is to quit bad habits. This can include things like quitting smoking or eating less junk food. These are not fun resolutions, but they are good for your health and well-being. I don't smoke, so I don't need to quit, but I could stop other bad habits. For example, I eat a lot of sugar, so maybe I should eat less sugar this year. Or maybe I should eat more vegetables. These are good resolutions. Managing money better. Some people make New Year's resolutions to manage their money better. This can include saving more money, spending less, or creating a budget. Managing money well is important because it helps you avoid debt and prepares you for unexpected expenses. By setting financial goals, you can improve your financial health and reduce stress. Achieving goals. There are many different New Year's resolutions. I think this is good because people want to accomplish goals. It's good to accomplish goals. What are your goals for this year? That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you have a resolution for this year. I'll see you next time.